Hello, I'm Maitreyi. The book I'm going to review is No Nation for Women. No Nation for Women is a non-fiction book authored by Priyanka Dubey. It talks about rape cases in India, which is the world's largest democracy. The book consists of 13 chapters, and each new chapter is a story of the incident that were faced by victims of rape. So Priyanka Dubey is a journalist based in Delhi. She received considerable recognition for her works in human rights and social justice. She travels throughout India for a period of 6 years to account the stories of women who were imprisoned in the ages of patriarchy and violence. So, in the first chapter, she talks to the victim of something called corrective rapes, where women are burnt alive. All these chapters, all these in this book, every she describes all these incidents in such a way that it evokes empathy in readers. In the following chapters, she talks about custodial rapes, honor killings, uh, trafficking, child abuse, and many more like that. In all the cases, the common thing that we can observe is that poverty, social status, caste, religion are taken as an advantage by influential people to exploit women and commit these crimes. The problem is that police forces and administration are flawed, they're corrupt and biased. So. All these victims and their families fight for decades for justice, and it has become a distant dream for them to get justice. Uh, so the central idea of the book is to emphasize on the flawed legal system of our country. The book is very informative, and I would recommend this book for aspiring lawyers, which motivates them to work towards the protection of women rights and make justice accessible to the victims. Thank you.